Hello and welcome to Hallo German. Today we learn time and daily routine in German.
By the end, you'll know 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, morning, evening, night.
Der Morgen. The morning. Say,
Your turn. Der Morgen. One more time. Great. Sieben Uhr. 7 o'clock. Time to wake up. Say, Sieben Uhr.
your turn. Sieben Uhr. One more time. Great. Acht Uhr. 8 o'clock. Time for work or school. Say, Acht Uhr.
Your turn. Acht Uhr. One more time. Great. Neun Uhr. 9 o'clock. Morning is in full swing. Say, your turn.
Neun Uhr. One more time. Great. Zwölf Uhr. 12 o'clock. Lunchtime. Say, Zwölf Uhr.
Zwölf Uhr. One more time. Great. Drei Uhr. 3 o'clock. Afternoon break. Say,
Your turn. Drei Uhr. One more time. Great.
der Abend. The evening. Say,
Your turn. Der Abend. One more time. Great. Die Nacht. The night. Say,
your turn. Die Nacht. One more time. Great. Gute Nacht. Time to revise. All time and routine words.
7 Uhr, 8 Uhr, 9 Uhr, 12 Uhr, 3 Uhr, der Morgen, der Abend, die Nacht. Great job! You know the whole day. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Gute Nacht.
And subscribe. Tschüss. Bye bye.